Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own scoreboard. First, you need to type slash scoreboard objectives, add the name that you want. I put money, dummy, money. Send it. If it says on white color, it means it's right. Second, you need to type slash scoreboard objectives set display sidebar name money. Send it. So now you can see in the right corner it says money. If you wanna get money, you need to place a command block or type it in chat. Scoreboard players add at P money. How much? 100 or anything. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.